Hello and welcome to another episode of Art Walks.
We begin with Hello, the latest addition to daily Tous Jours interactive series. This piece takes the harmonics of human speech and translates them into music and light, turning a simple greeting into a shared experience. It's a reminder that art isn't always something to just look at. It can be something to be a part of. I was delighted to find that our voices could be translated into soothing, uplifting sounds, and it's fascinating how something as simple as saying hello can spark a sensory reaction in both light and music, creating a shared moment between strangers. Sol LeWitt was a pioneer of conceptual art, believing that the idea of a work was just as important as its execution. Wall drawing number 623 follows precise instructions executed by others rather than the artist himself. The geometric forms and meticulous structure challenge the idea of authorship in art. Standing before it is a humbling experience. It is perfectly executed, and I couldn't help but be reminded of the pyramids of Giza. Not as grand, of course, but it still carries that sense of awe. There is something remarkable about a piece that exists beyond the artist's physical touch, yet still holds so much intention and presence. Jack Chambers blends dreamlike imagery with sharp realism in Messenger's Juggling Seeds, a work rich with symbolism. The painting captures a sense of movement and transformation, much like the natural cycle of growth and rebirth. Chambers often infused his work with personal and spiritual meaning. I really enjoy this painting. There's an esoteric quality that's difficult to describe, something almost mystical about it. The style reminds me of tarot cards or something magical, and I find the frame just as beautiful as the painting itself. It reminds me of a frame that would be used for a mirror, which is very fitting since this is a painting of the artist's parents. Whether we like to admit it or not, we are often mirrors of our own parents and other influential people in our lives. Joan Balzar's Spinner No. 1 pulses with energy. Bold, metallic colors and optical effects create a sense of constant motion. Her work often plays with industrial materials and high gloss finishes, bringing a futuristic feel to the canvas. This piece has a mechanical, machine-like quality that I really enjoy. The optical illusion it creates is quite fun, but the bright red and black blocks also remind me of a traffic sign or something signaling possible danger. There's a tension between movement and warning, like something is in motion, but you need to be careful. With Chromatic Accelerator, Claude Tousignant immerses us in color. The intense circular composition creates an optical illusion that pulls the viewer in. Tousignant was deeply influenced by color theory. He saw color as the essence of painting itself. This piece is truly hypnotic. It appears deceptively simple at first, but on closer inspection, you can see the quality of the workmanship. The color choices are masterful. The use of complementary colors really locks the eyes in and gets the brain firing. It's the kind of work that commands attention, almost like pulling you into its orbit. Art isn't just about looking, it's about experiencing. Each of these works engages us in a different way, whether through interaction, movement, or color. Whether through the echoes of our voices, the structure of an idea, or the vibration of pure color. These artists remind us that perception is just as important as the piece itself.
And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more art walks. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art walks. Until next time.